Every learner of a new language has a problem making certain sounds in the language they're now learning because they don't have exactly the same sound in their native language. I still can't do a good Japanese ryu, ryu, ryu. I've been trying for many years. For some, particularly Japanese people, the L and R in English can cause some real problems, and their L's and their R's sound the same as each other. But with a little practice, I know many Japanese learners of English who have soon started making excellent L's and R's. And in this video, I will show you just how you can shape those sounds in your mouth so you too can make clear L's and R's that sound like the L's and R's of English. Hi, I'm Andy from The English Writer, where we help learners improve their English language skills. If you're new here, then please make sure you click that subscribe button so that you can keep up with all our other tutorials and videos and even leave a comment. So let's get to it. First, here are some examples of words where mistakes can be confusing. I'll do the R word followed by the L word. So listen. Rice and lice. Race and lace. Red and lead. Right and light. Rock and lock. Room and loom. Road and load. Read and lead. Okay, here's a little quiz. I will only say one of the words, and when I say it, try to decide if it begins with an L or an R. So, lice. Lock. Road. Lead. How did you do? Perhaps your listening was perfect, but how about your pronunciation? Yeah, let's go through how we make the L and the R. L is sometimes easier because as long as you move your tongue, you'll probably get the right sound. It's like this. It's kind of a flapping. La, 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 la. And the difference between L and R mainly comes from where we place the tongue and the airflow around it. Okay, we call the L sound the voiced alveolar lateral approximant in linguistics, and we use this symbol in dictionary pronunciation guides. You make it by placing the tip of your tongue against the bumpy area, just behind your front teeth. And as you release it, the air should flow around the sides of your tongue. So tongue hai, la, la. And you should feel a vibration here in your vocal cords, making this a voiced sound. Here are some examples again, and watch for the movement. Like, love, light, lead, letter. Like, love, light, lead, letter. Like, love, light, lead, letter. To practice this sound, try saying la 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 and quickly tapping that ridge. Okay? Here. La 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 la. And now hold it a bit before you release. Like, la, la 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 la. Like, love, light, lead, letter. Like, love, lead, letter. Like, la, whatever. Now the R can be trickier. Why? because you have to hold your tongue in place and not touch any other part of your mouth. Ooh. Like this. Right, read, rest, remember, read. Now we call this sound the voiced alveolar approximant, shown in a dictionary as, and we make it by curling the tongue slightly backwards, or simply holding it, keeping it in the middle of your tongue, in the middle of your mouth without touching anything. Actually, the sides of your tongue can slightly touch your upper teeth, but gently. And again, like the L, your vocal cords should vibrate, making this also a voiced sound. Okay, here are some exaggerated versions of the R sound. Read, rest, reach, read, rice. To practice a little, try growling like a dog. And you can begin that with a So R. Tongue isn't moving. Okay, it's not moving, and in my case, it's not really touching anything. And it certainly shouldn't touch the roof up here or that. That's when you're going to make the L again. So here's a quick R set of words. Read, rest, reach, read, rice. 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 Sometimes it's good to practice pairs of words that get mixed up. So here are a few, and I'll say the L word first, followed by the similar sounding R word. Okay, so light, right, lice, rice, lead, red, lock, rock, look, rook, rook. Of course, L's and R's don't just appear at the beginning of words. Hello, hello, for example, and crazy, crazy. And some words don't even have a strong R or L to worry about. For example, when they go before a consonant. Example word, 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 word. Okay, word, no. So listen to other speakers and use the little microphone button on dictionaries to hear how the L or R usually sounds in a specific word or sentence. Here's an example of a word with both L and R to loosen your mouth muscles a little. Really, 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 really. And here are some tongue twisters for you to practice. I like red rice. I like red rice. I like red rice. Lucy loves reading. Lucy loves reading. Lucy loves reading. Lions rest under large rocks. Lions rest under large rocks. Lions rest under large rocks. And a bit more challenging. Red lorry, yellow lorry. 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 Larry's red rabbit runs rapidly. Larry's red rabbit runs rapidly. Larry's red rabbit runs rapidly. Rapidly. Royal roosters like lovely lemons. Royal roosters like lovely lemons. Royal roosters like lovely lemons. Why not practice all this in a mirror and watch the shape of your mouth as you try to copy what I did? Sort of. And that's all for now. Good luck. If this tutorial was useful, please do check out my other videos, and why not take a look at my pronunciation guide to the TH sound, the th. Until then, keep practicing your English, and bye for now.